Welcome to Kids Art Channel.
If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Hey kids, let's draw a jellyfish. Start with a wiggly umbrella shape and add some tentacles. Make it sparkly and colorful. Get ready to create your own jelly-tastic masterpiece.
Awesome! Bravo! Fabulous! Awesome! Fantastic! Awesome! Whoa!
I hope kids you enjoyed it. See you next time. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.